everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Annie. So today we will learn another interesting story, that is the story of the grasshopper and the ant. So come, let's see the story. Once upon a time there was a lazy grasshopper, and it was summer time, so everyone was working, and this grasshopper was very lazy. He did not like to work at all. All day he used to do was to play and sing songs. So as it was the summer season, the ants were working very hard. They were collecting grains for the winter season. So when the ants were working hard, he sees them. He sees the ants and he says, he laughs at the ants and says, "Why are you all working so hard? It's only summer now. There is so much time for winter." But the ants did not listen to what he is saying. They kept on working. They kept on collecting grains for the winter season. So this grasshopper kept on playing and singing songs. He did not even bothered or cared to store grains or some food for the winter season. So as time passed, summer ended and winter season came. Winter season started. So when the winter season started, the grasshopper did not have anything to eat. There was not a single insect or leaf, nothing. So he remembered how the ants were working hard. So he went to the ant. He thought for some time like how he will find food. So he went to the ant's house. He knocked at the door of the ant and told the ant that, "Dear ant, can you give me some food to eat? I am very hungry. I don't have anything to eat, as I have not stored anything for the winter season." Then the ant gets very angry. She says, when we were working hard, you were playing and singing songs. We had told you that time, but you did not listen to us. Now we have come here to ask food. We don't have anything to give you. And she slams the door. She closes the door in anger. So seeing this, the grasshopper became very sad and he was left hungry. So with this story we get a moral that you should always work very hard and you should be responsible. We have seen how the grasshopper used to be. He used to waste his time in play and singing songs. But when the winter season came, he was left hungry. There was nothing. So the moral we get here is we should always work hard and we should always be responsible. Okay, I hope you like this story. If you like my video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mogasum. Thank you.